Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elisiana Tole. If you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you remember from my last vlog, I was to clean my kitchen and then come to my bedroom. My wardrobe was in a mess, so I just decided to come and fold the clothes. It wasn't looking good at all, so this is just a continuation from the other vlog. And so today I'm just folding the clothes. It's really in a mess. I've not had time to clean it, so this is what I'm doing. So sit down, enjoy, relax, and watch. And please, if you're watching, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.
Que tú me haces feliz, me encanta presumirte. Tu amor me compromete, soy tuya pa' que respeten. Yeah, vale más que mis billetes y que mi voz lo interprete. Yeah. VIP pa' ti, baby, ¿quién lo diría? Todo lo que yo hago por ti, orgulloso diciendo tú eres mía. Tú lo sabes, baby, yeah. Cuando tú me llenas cuerpo, besos, esa sensación tú no la ves, pero que me llena con exceso más, más. Tu parte, porque tú a mí haces feliz, me queda presumir, ay de ti, qué bonito verte sonreír, yo soy tu VIP, papi yo te parte, que tú me haces feliz, me encanta presumirte. A mí me encanta presumir tu baby con todas mis amigas. VIP, a mí no me importa lo que digan. No hay que decidir cuando vi esos ojos era patria. Ponte más cerquita, que ya no te muerdo. Seamos los locos en este mundo de acuerdo. Soy tu favorita, estamos de acuerdo. Tú tienes derecha mientras que yo soy de izquierda.
After folding my clothes, I decided to remove my curtains. They were so dirty. So I wanted them to be cleaned by my lady who cleans, so I just decided to remove them and put other curtains because the place was becoming so dusty, so that's what I did. Hi guys, well today I've been in the house and I was not feeling well, but nikafanyikiwa na mambo. My bulb just started dimming and I can't just stay without light in the kitchen, and the whole day I've not eaten, so I had to grab something to eat, and well, sina sa hiyo bulb ingine. So I'm like, okay, let me just go out and grab a few things here and there. So I just thought I should share this with you. I just grabbed some little shopping. Well, impulse buying, Anyway, it's just things I didn't have, but I didn't get time to get them. So it's not even impulse. It's some things. It's something which I needed. So while it's not impulse, but anyway, as women, you just go buying one thing and then you come back with a bunch of things. So I was going to get a bulb. So this is what I got. This is what I use in my kitchen. For content creation, I just need this, LED lighting. So I use this DP LED light bulb. So this is what I wanted. I think it's 400 shillings, but it lasts for kama yenye nimetoa nimekaa nayo for a long time, so I want to get one. It has good lighting, like right now I'm not even using my ring light, so it has good lighting anyway. So this is what I use. Okay, so I just went to the shop and then I got a few things. So this is what I got. Got this Bella tissue. I'm sorry, the things usually have here, my god, vitu zingine zenye. So I got this tissue, got myself a bread, and then I got this also, this bulb. I think I'll put it in the toilet. It's no, it's a bit big, so this one I got it in your toilet yangu. And then I just grabbed this juice, maziwa mala. This is sweetened. I love taking maziwa mala. And I also got another one. And then I got this natural lala. This is for cooking. And I grabbed some milk, some salt, and I needed these. These are Actor. They're called Inno tablets, you know. I just needed this because sometimes I have my stomach is whew, alafu nakosa hata dawa kukunywa, so I just had to grab that. And then let me show you. So I'm getting all that. And then I got some fruits. I got a bunch of bananas. I usually get these ones nowadays. I'm sorry. Because of making smoothies. I'm in love with smoothies. So if you haven't checked my other video, go and check the one I made, matoke and smoothie, and see what I usually do. So I had some other fruits here, so I decided to get bananas. Then I got these avocados. Hakuna avocado, so this is what I got. I then got some oranges. I got some pawpaw. I think this one it's not yet ripe, so mpaka ningojee hivi. And this one. And then easy sitazitoa. I got some onions and potatoes. You know, I love fries, so those are what I usually make most of the time. So anyways, this is what I have for now, so I just decided to share it with you. You know what, guys, well, okay, this is something like I have some chicken, and it's been like I think six months. So today one of my workers just told me, okay, kuku zako zimeanza kutaga. So I was like, okay, just bring them to me. So he has been collecting them. Guess what? Let me show you. These are a lot of eggs. I'm so happy. This is the work of my hands. These are my eggs. Kienyeji eggs. Yeah, so this is my first harvest for eggs, and I'm so happy. I'm literally so happy. I've never had chicken before. It's my first time, and I'm so happy I got something, and I just thought I should share with you. Now I have eggs. I can eat eggs from my own chicken. Now I think I'll get into eggs business because these are a lot of eggs. So I think I'll just go and look and market them. Nitafute mali nitakuwa napeleka kwa duka and tell them and grab something at least nipate chakula ya kuzilisha tena. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy, guys. So I'm feeling a little better. Oh, I forgot. Then these are tomatoes. So, well, let me just arrange these. I think I won't show you. I've shown you enough. Let me just arrange them. You see? Let me just arrange them and then see you on my continuation. So for now,
One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Immature lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, can't you figure it out? What's going on?
Okay, so now let's make some spaghetti with some chicken breast. So stay tuned, watch my recipe, and please just watch and try yours. For your ingredients, you need your chicken breast cut into small pieces. Slice your tomatoes. For mine, I do with cucumbers, some capsicum, and some Caribbean chilies. I love the taste. I really love the taste. And then cut your onions, just slice them, and your spaghetti. I had boiled my water for spaghetti, so you just remove your lid and then you add some salt. You just add according to your taste. From there, take your spaghetti. I use Santa Lucia, or you can just use any spaghetti, but these ones they are very good. So, and I really love the way they. And then you took my spaghetti, you according to your size. For it to have that the long spaghetti, just put it all. Don't cut it into pieces. Just put it in the water. Just submerge it and leave it for a while. Then take a spoon or whatever you're using, and then just submerge it slowly until it gets submerged in the hot water. So that's what I do. Just pour it in until it's fully submerged. Then just try to put it well in the, just mix it well in the water. And then after that, just cover it to cook. So from there, I prepare my meat, my chicken. I mean. Okay, so I just heated my pan, put some oil. You just put the oil, the one you'll just use to fry them later on. So I took my chicken and then put it in the oil, and then you fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Just fry them until they're golden brown.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. all I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again.
Meanwhile, my spaghetti was almost cooked.
So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should've known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind, but nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should've known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill
My spaghetti was now ready and I removed it from the cooker. I filtered the water, the hot water, with a sieve. I usually use my rice cooker sieve, so that's what I use to remove the hot water. And then after that I washed it with the cold water, so that we can fry it later with the chicken. By now my chicken was ready and it was golden brown. I just removed it from the oil and then put it aside. I now took sufuria and then I added my oil so that now I can fry the whole mixture. I added my onions into the heated oil. You stir it. I don't like making it golden brown. I just leave it to cook for a while and then I add my tomatoes. After adding my tomatoes, I just stir it well to wait for it to cook. Just stir it for the tomatoes to cook well. So you just leave the other mixture. So you add the pepper so that it can cook with the tomatoes. For the cucumber and capsicum, just leave it for later. After the tomatoes were cooked, you just stir them well until they get cooked. You now add your chicken, the one you fried them, and then you stir them well with the tomatoes. You now add your cucumber and your capsicum to your mixture. At this point, everything is cooked. You just don't want them to cook them, to override them. For cucumbers, you just want to feel the raw taste. So just mix it a little bit. Just mix it to the mixture, and then you now add your chicken masala. You just want to spice it up a little bit. You add a teaspoonful of chicken masala, and then you add your white pepper, just a teaspoonful of it, and then you add your garam masala, just a teaspoonful, and then you just stir it up so that you can get a good taste out of the mixture. And then now you add 2 Royco cubes. This is what I never miss in any of my meals, be it vegetables, meat, chicken, whatever. And then you just add your spaghetti into the mixture. So now everything is cooked. You just want to get the final result and then mix it up. I don't have a tongue, so I'm just using a spoon or whatever I'll be using, so that you can get just one. I don't know how it's you put it, unataka ukuwe na spaghetti ile refu refu tu when you just eat, and then now my meal was ready, and it was looking wow, and it was smelling so nice. It really had a good smell, and it was really looking good, and it was ready to serve. So kindly just follow this recipe and try yours. Now they're round on my mind, hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down, I'm never coming down, never coming down. Before I knew it, I was hurt by some stupid thing I overheard. I never built a wall to shut it all down, but now it's even made of concrete. I now served myself, and I prayed for the meal, and I enjoyed my spaghetti while watching a movie, and wow, it was really sweet, really sweet. Oh my gosh, it was really good. I enjoyed my meal, and I really thank you guys for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and share to the friends, with your friends, and tell your friends to tell your friends to tell your friends, and kindly support me. And please guys, push me on so that I can get to 1,000 subscribers. Now we are almost at 200. We want to get to 500 and then to 1,000. It will really be, I'll be one of the happiest person ever. So guys, continue watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, just subscribe. 2 or 3 subscribers in a day, they really make a difference. So thank you guys for watching, and bye bye, see you on the next one. Hate me, but I am never coming down, never coming down.